quite the entrance to this state park. 5 miles in just to the headquarters. Okay, I don't know if you can zoom in on it. There's legitimately a bear over there. Okay. Okay. I just stepped out of my car and there's a tiny bear walking across the path over there. And a lady walked by with her 2 kids and she's not so concerned. She says, "Is that little bear again?" So evidently there's a bear around here. Okay. Not too many people here. There's an RV over there. All these sites are empty. I've got a old tent that I found, which is like a new tent because I've never been there. Now I'm wondering if I should sleep in my vehicle. I'll probably be alright. Time to put up a tent. And poof, it's up, just like that. You probably can't see anything. Wait, let's go. It's very simplistic tonight. Just a pad and a sleeping bag. And I was gonna cook later. I still am. But I'm going to move it up a little earlier in case that pesky bear comes by. I'm sure that footage I shot looks like Bigfoot footage and nobody's going to believe me. But if there's more sightings, I can always sleep in here. Minimal gear today, other than the tent and sleeping bag. Just a small cooler and a couple backpacks. So I have plenty of room in here. It might be bear proof. So I think it's time to go for a drive. Let's see what's around. So after getting my camp set up, I was gonna go for a drive, and I am now. But I had a slight detour because my vehicle didn't start. It is not noon, it is not midnight. The battery went out, but then it came back on, so got jumper cables. Came back and tried it one more time. It barely turned over. Oh, I wonder if they see something. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that? Black bear. Okay, so I had to stop and take a picture with my phone because the GoPro does not zoom in very well. Might have gotten that shot too, but now for sure got it on my camera. I should say I have it on my Okay, so I had to put the camera down and get a picture with my phone. GoPro does not zoom in very well on things. Thought they were looking at a deer. It was definitely a bear, which I think I got on here now too. So I guess I'm in bear country. I don't know. Playful little things. I did ask the park, the ranger or campground host, while he was trying to jump my vehicle about the bears, and he said there was one aggressive one that is gone now, and there's 3 young sibling bears, 3 or 4 of them, and most of them are okay. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Hopefully they just go on their merry way. So now I'm driving, trying to charge my battery up. Okay, so one other person pulled up. I'm about 8 miles off of this dirt road. He's gonna try to go up that fire tower. Afraid to turn off my vehicle right now because it may not restart. I guess as long as this guy doesn't steal my vehicle, he'd have to take my vehicle over his. So, we know what happened last time I tried the fire tower. So, I may only get a couple feet up, but we'll give it a shot. We'll see from the top. Or a couple feet.
Not too many places you can get a view like this. You got Wisconsin down there too. Way out on the horizon you can see the water tower for Grantsburg.
Just over the border in Wisconsin then, right?
Yep. It's a little cloudy tonight, otherwise sunsets can get pretty around up here.
Easy peasy. Oh, here comes somebody. Well, that was nice. I made it to the top. Yeah. Did I have something to prove? Maybe. Am I going to go back to the other fire tower? Yes. I'm going to climb it. So tonight, just a foil packet dinner. Sausage, carrots, onions, celery, and potatoes. Cooked on that fire yonder. It's very hot, very delicious. That'll probably be it for tonight. I'll sleep in the tent and hope no bears come in. I guess as long as you do not have any food in there, they probably will leave you alone. Guess I'll find out in the morning. Quiet, comfortable morning, other than some mosquitoes, some chipmunks, and the only kid in campground crying down the way there. I'm up much earlier than I normally am, but gotta make sure the car starts. Get that checked out today, so gonna pack up. No more incidents. Well, one incident last night. There was a raccoon on my picnic table saying hi. Other than that, last night was pretty nice. So, it's time to pack up, head out. All packed up and ready to go, which is probably a good thing. As I was getting my tent together, neighbor camper came by. She said that a bear was in her sight 3 times already this morning. I guess just a friendly bear around here, I guess. See if I see anything on the way out. Otherwise, might be about it. Oh dear. So 2 bears, chipmunk, a raccoon, and a deer. And some beautiful nature. And I conquered my fire tower issue for now. It's a good trip. Foggy morning. It's time for breakfast. Thanks for stopping by. And then just to show what I got, as I threw down the GoPro and picked up my camera, that was the little guy I saw on the side of the road. Curious little guy.